Welcome to the new mural of Mr. Ranjit Dhaya, ace muralist, ace graffiti artist in Bandra, and this is Chapel Road. First, his mural was of Anarkali, and the next one next to Anarkali was Sri Devi, but somebody had gone and repainted a football sequence on it. So now the football sequence is gone, and instead you have these three ladies wearing a mask. These are the three famous divas of Bollywood. You got to name them. You got to name them. They're all, and this is the message of Ranjit Dhaya, that he wants you to wear a mask, do social distancing, and this is the creation of a wall. How art is created, that is the subject today. Ranjit and I are very old friends, but I met him very late. Though my granddaughter was 2 years old, and she has been shooting Ranjit's work on this spot with an Italian photographer, Manuela Nessi. Ranjit does huge murals. He does not do small stuff. I've shot almost all his murals in Bandra. Each and every mural I have shot of his. Ranjit. बाद में ये अलग वीडियो है, अलग वीडियो इधर आ जाइए. So this is the great artist of Bandra. He is the he is the great artist of Bandra. He is a muralist. He is a graffiti artist. He is amazing. And Ranjit is doing this wall. He had done Anarkali years back. रंजीत साहब, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. आप यहाँ इतना अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं, लोगों का दिल बहला रहे हैं, खुश कर रहे हैं. आपसे ये पूछना है कि इसका इंस्पिरेशन कहाँ से मिला आपको?
इसका सर इंस्पिरेशन बॉलीवुड से ही मिला मेरे को.
ओके.
क्योंकि बॉलीवुड की ग्लैमर क्वीन, who started glamour in Bollywood. So I don't want to tell you the name.
या
But you know, she is very famous.
ओके.
Bollywood actress.
So what he has done, he's projecting Bollywood through his art. That is his team out there. So this is on Chapel Road. Ranjit stays on Chapel Road. He's from Haryana, but he's almost a पक्का मुंबईकर like me. दूसरी चीज़ आपसे ये पूछना है सर,
Yes sir.
कि आपने मिथुन का भी किया था शिलोंग में.
Yes sir.
वहाँ का एक्सपीरियंस क्या था?
अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस है सर. I painted there, but there was some controversy was happening.
Yeah, I heard about it.
Yeah, why didn't you paint some
Something
from Shillong?
Meghalaya.
Yeah, Meghalaya.
Then you did something in Ahmedabad.
Yes sir.
What was that?
अहमदाबाद में अभी तक.
नहीं, सूरत में थे. कहीं आप गुजरात गए थे
हाँ,
ना?
अभी गुजरात गया था एक कमर्शियल प्रोजेक्ट के लिए.
ओके. उधर क्या किया था?
I painted for Tata Sky.
हाँ?
Tata Sky के लिए.
अच्छा.
There was a TV actresses I have to paint in a window
Okay.
and give them the effect of.
Very good.
Yeah.
So if you guys ever are interested in mural or you want something to be done, you contact Ranjit Dhaya.
Yes.
He is available at Chapel Road. And I wish you all the very best. This is a great friend of mine. ये उसको बोलेंगे धैया को. बेटा. Just take. Just one. So this is. अरे ऐसे नहीं है.
हाँ ऐसे है.
This?
So this is Ranjit Dhaya, and he thanks all of you all, and yes, blesses all of you all. He's an amazing guy. I love him. I'm not sure whether he loves me or not. Thank you. Thank you, sir. All the best. This mural is made by Mr. Ranjit Dahiya, great wall artist. This mural has a long history. This wall, sorry. First you had Anarkali, about 15 years back. After that, recently, that space was taken over by Messi and his football team mates. And now, once again, Ranjit is getting it done. Over here there was Sri Devi, she is gone. Anarkali is also gone. The theme is 70s Devas, and this is Chapel Road. I just did a short walk. I met Ranjit at Good Luck. Now I'm here. भैया कुछ इसके बारे में बताओ ना,
सब म्यूरल के बारे में.
हाँ.
So
When you started it?
when we started it, it's been 6-7 days.
Okay. It's not yet complete.
No, not yet complete.
Okay. How long? How many days did it take?
Most probably 1 week. Actually, the challenge over here is the was on very raw stage.
Okay.
So we re-managed it with the hands. और basically उसमें रंजीत का वो कहना है कि जब तक आप वॉल को टच नहीं करोगे, जब तक फील नहीं करोगे, जब तक उसको you need to pamper it. So then you can concord with it. So हमारे 4 दिन उसमें चले गए.
Okay.
So yes, and like it's been 5th day that we are painting, sir. Yeah.
Keep it up, yeah. It's an amazing because Chapel Road, according to me, having been shooting it for so many years, it's the art lane of Bandra. And when I say art, it's also heart lane of Bandra.
Yeah.
Thanks a lot. God
Thank
bless
you,
you.
sir.
Yeah. भैया थोड़ा कैसे पकड़ लीजिए. So I'm here at Chapel Road in the evening during iftar time. I'm not fasting, and my friend is shooting this video. This is the beauty of Ranjit Dahiya's art. He's an amazing artist, and I wish him the very best. He and his team, they are really, really great. All the best to you all. So this is, it's not yet complete.
तू कितना बोलता है सर? 45 कर दो यार. ₹35,000 ले ले बेटे। चल तेरा ना मेरा 40 इसका ठीक है। ऊपर का दुनिया कितना दिन में मान लिया इधर तो नहीं है, इधर आएगा इधर थोड़ी इधर जाएगा कितना बात में सब करते हैं तो और ऊपर जाके दिखा डेमोस्ट्रेशन में ऊपर जाके होना चाहिए। हाँ
ठीक है
रोलर ले लिया करेगा किससे है ठीक है चढ़ जा। ये थर्ड वाला कंप्लीट कर दे और थोड़ा आराम आराम से चढ़ भाई। शाबाश बेटा करो। अबे तू दुनिया का बबलू हो गया क्या?
शुभम क्या बोल रहे हैं? शुभम, this girl is very brave यार। Good morning, good evening, friends. I introduce you to the great artist of Bandra, muralist, graffiti artist, wall artist. You call him anything, and he's a tennis court ace player, Mr. Ranjit Dhaya from Haryana, Sonpat.
Yes.
And now he's a Pakka Mumbaikar,
Yes, I'm Mumbai.
very famous Bollywood personality, and he's promoting Bollywood through his art, and he's also promoting a lot of good things through his art. Now, for the first time, he's going to talk about himself. He never talks about himself to anybody, but he likes Feroz Shakir. So he's going to tell me. Ranjit Saab,
Yes, sir.
when did this love of painting come in your life?
I think it was from my childhood only.
Yeah.
बचपन से मैं I was very interested in painting.
और किसी ने तो इंस्पायर किया होगा आपको.
Inspired मतलब I saw like old Bollywood films and when I saw pictures in magazines, so I always like, oh wow, I want to paint. And I always like draw or a big sheet when I was like in school time.
लेकिन कोई तो आपका एक गुरु होगा.
वो बहुत सारे गुरु हैं मेरे.
अच्छा. बट उनमें से एक गुरु कोई ऐसा नहीं था जिसने आपको मतलब.
हाँ, मेरे जो क्लास के जो टीचर थे.
अच्छा.
नरेश आकाश जी, वो उन्होंने मेरे को हमेशा वो किया.
अच्छा. अब आप एक बात सुनिए. You are son of a farmer.
Yes.
And you're proud of the fact.
Of course.
Yeah.
Yes.
But what I would like to tell you, what made you come to Mumbai? It's something you never told anybody.
I came here for a job. नौकरी के लिए आया था and वो नौकरी में I mean जॉब से पहले मैंने उनके साथ इंटर्नशिप किया था.
Okay.
तो उनको मेरा काम अच्छा लगा, मेरा एटीट्यूड अच्छा लगा, तो उन्होंने मेरे को दोबारा से बुलाया.
Very good.
कम बैक. जब मैं इधर आया तो फिर मैं एक जॉब करता था मैं 1 साल तक. मैंने रियलाइज किया सिटी में बॉलीवुड सिटी है, पर बॉलीवुड के नाम पे कुछ है ही नहीं. लाइक बॉलीवुड होना चाहिए.
तो फिर आपने ये बॉलीवुड आर्ट प्रोजेक्ट शुरू किया.
मैंने 2012 में.
Okay, now I'll tell you another thing.
Yes.
When did you? What was your first work? Was that Anarkali your first work?
No. That was Amitabh Bachchan.
Okay, that Diwar.
The Diwar here only.
Yeah, Baroda Road.
The 10 by 10 car.
That was very good. Excellent it was. After that you did?
Then after that I went to France and I painted like a big
Mural
over there. And then I came back and then I thought, yeah, why don't paint in this city?
But you also went to America and did something in Hansborough or somewhere.
Yeah, I mean I went to Greensboro.
Yeah, Greensboro. Yeah.
So I went there. I painted Anarkali.
Yeah, I saw it. Excellent. That was a beautiful. That was a very good thing you did. Now I want to ask you.
Yes.
Where did your love for cats come from?
I'm an animal lover. So
Okay.
I love cats. I love dogs. I love every like.
You have about 30 cats.
Yes. I have about 30 cats.
Now another thing I'd like to tell you. What is your message to these new painters, these young artists who want to emulate you, who want to be like you?
Well, I mean, मेहनत करो यार. I mean, want to say कि like you didn't get things like चुटकी में नहीं मिलता है.
सही है.
उसके लिए you have to keep doing things. मेहनत करो. I mean, अपने आप से झूठ नहीं बोल सकते हो तुम लोग.
मैंने रंजीत साहब
Yes, sir.
एक चीज़ आपकी और देखी है कि आपने काफ़ी लोगों को प्रमोट किया है. कैलाश जितने आपके नीचे काम करते थे उनको आपने इंडिपेंडेंस दिया.
Yes, बिल्कुल.
और यू एंड नाउ ऑल्सो all these youngsters working with you, under you, they are really proud to work with you.
Yeah.
So what is the magic of your?
Magic is like we work. I mean, we work with the fun. I mean, there is no stress in the team. ये करना है वो करना है. You know, everybody knows their own work. कि हमारे को क्या करने का. बस उनका थोड़ा सा मतलब बस वही. I think that is the.
ना मैं आपको एक और बात बोला. I have been following your career or whatever you call it, your art, your thing. I've been doing it much before I met you.
Yes.
I met you very late in life, but I started shooting you, and my granddaughters were young. I taught them photography, shooting your art.
Oh.
Another thing I tell you, every foreigner photographer that came to visit me, I would bring him to Anarkali, show him your art. But I didn't know you.
Oh.
I met you at NM,
Yes,
you know,
yes.
when you did that taxi driver.
Taxi driver.
Yeah.
Devanand sir.
Devanand. And then from that time till today, I've been following you.
Yes.
And I've been talking
We are
about
meeting
you.
often also.
Yeah. No, I've been talking about you because people should know the man behind the art. Art is very important, the canvas, the mural and everything, the tapestry. But there is somebody who creates it.
Yes.
Now another thing I tell you, how do you come up with your ideas?
Ideas always like it has its own process. Ki like what I want to paint, what is my I always like this street. My idea was to एक श्रृंगार एक खूबसूरती भर देना इस स्ट्रीट के अंदर. That was my idea. So खूबसूरती के लिए then I start choosing the characters. So then Helen was my first choice. मैं काफी सालों से I was waiting to paint Helen. Then this time I got the chance to paint Helen.
And Salim Khan Sahib is my guru, you know that.
Yes. Yeah.
Because he shares his birthday with my granddaughter, November 24th, Marzia.
अच्छा रशिया के साथ
Okay, other thing what I'm telling you is you play very good tennis and everything. You have done a lot of good work on the tennis court. So there's so many things about you that people don't know, that today I'm trying to validate through this interview or through this talk with you. Now I would like to ask you another thing. What is your future plans?
Future plans, I mean, I want to spread more Bollywood around the world, not the city. Wherever I get
बट
a
आपसे
chance.
एक बात बोलूँगा सर,
Yes.
आपका सबसे खूबसूरत काम जो किसी ने नहीं देखा, जो मैंने डाला है नेट पर, वो है आपका गुरुदत्त का.
Yes, yes.
अब आपको मैं गुरुदत्त साहब की बात करूँगा कि गुरुदत्त साहब के दो बच्चे थे, बेटे थे, एक था अरुण और एक था तरुण.
Okay.
अरुण और तरुण हमारे दोस्त थे,
हाँ.
और फिर अरुण और तरुण ने एक पिक्चर बनाई धर्मेंद्र को लेके.
हाँ.
पिक्चर का नाम था खुलेआम,
खुलेआम.
और उसमें उन्होंने विलेन दिया था डैनी साहब को.
Okay.
तो डैनी साहब के पिक्चर में
हाँ.
डैनी साहब टोपी पहनते थे और नीचे विग था.
Okay.
तो विग उनको परेशान करता था गर्मी के टाइम में. तो बोले यार फिरोज क्या करेंगे. तरुण ने पूछा कि अंकल क्या करेंगे. मैं बोला नहीं एक काम है अपन कर सकते हैं. तो मैंने क्या किया, वो जो विग था ना वो अटैच कर दिया टोपी में.
के साथ ही हाँ.
हाँ, एंड दैट इज समथिंग. सो व्हेन आई शॉट गुरुदत्त इन योर हाउस
हाँ.
ऑन दैट
Wall.
wall, these are the thoughts that came, and I recently wrote on Twitter about it.
No, of course. I mean, that's why I mean, everybody has their own nostalgia.
Okay,
When
then
some-
another thing I tell you, there is Shashi Kapoor in your house,
Yes, yes.
and Shashi Kapoor's wife,
Yes.
Mrs. Kendall,
Yes, yes.
Jennifer Kendall,
Yeah.
was my guru,
Oh, wow.
because I used to do the clothes as a designer,
Yes, yes.
but she was the person that got it executed with through me at Burlington's Taj Mahal. This is 1975.
Wow. 75.
स्मिता पाटिल जी के भी कपड़े मैंने बनाए हैं, और राज बब्बर साहब के बहुत बनाए, मैंने बहुत बनाए.
Okay.
तो जब आपने स्मिता पाटिल का भी अपने घर पे डाला ना, तो ये सब यादें आती थी मेरी को.
Of course, sir.
सो यू नो दिस इज व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू टेल यू. एंड नाउ अनदर थिंग आई टेल यू दैट आई फील दैट Bandra can be so drab, but today no, you have changed the look of Bandra, especially Chapel Road. You know, Chapel Road is the art road of Bandra. और कुछ बताइए आप.
I mean, I just like love to paint Bollywood in a Bollywood city, and I really want to paint lots of Bollywood mural around the city and around this chapel.
And I am really curious. Please tell me,
Yes.
how come the art directors in Bollywood have not contacted you? Don't mind me asking
No, no,
you.
sir. I mean,
Because you know, your work is so aesthetic. It is not.
नहीं सर, जब जिसकी जरूरत होती है they
अभी
will
आपसे एक और बात कहूँगा मैं.
हाँ.
ये बड़ी ताज्जुब की बात है कि आशीष शेलर साहब हमारे एमएलए हैं, और कुछ स्वच्छ भारत की पेंटिंग्स की थी एसवी रोड पर. वो तो एकदम ही ख़राब थी. तो मैंने आशीष जी को बोला था, मैंने कहा सर, when you are doing some project, you should take somebody really good. You don't take second class, third class. Though they are also required.
No, of course, sir. मैं तो
But-
हमेशा I'm ready to work with BMC या गवर्नमेंट के साथ भी काम कर.
Because today's time, no,
Yes.
today's time, I feel, with coronavirus, with the pandemic,
Yes, yes.
people will have a stronger message through your art, through your painting, and that is what you're doing here.
Yes, yes. No, I was like, I put the mask on the paintings to give that message to please wear mask whenever you are out. So, because I have to work on the portrait, then I remove the mask and then I again put to give the message to please wear mask. Don't take this.
और रंजीत साहब, अभी एक बात आपसे कहना है कि कोई सवाल मैं भूल गया हूँ,
हाँ.
तो आपको कुछ डालना है उसमें, कुछ कहना है कि कुछ मैं भूल गया हूँ.
I just want to say कि stay safe, stay home, and जितना भी अभी कोरोना का जो टाइम चल रहा है उसमें एहतियात बरतो. That's what I want to say. So yeah, I mean stay safe and
उसको
stay
बोला
happy.
जरा,
Yes.
हम लोग दोनों का साथ में वीडियो.
Okay.
Madam, just hold this. Think. Yeah, nothing else. Just hold it. No. So this is Ranjit Dhaya. This is a 10 minutes video, and he has talked about himself. He normally is very, very quiet person. He doesn't talk. He does not. He's very humble. He doesn't talk about himself. So I'm very happy that he has told everybody about himself. This is the magic of Ranjit Dhaya, the man with the magic hand.
Thank you.
Thank you.
God bless you.
ये गाड़ी है.
आ जाओ, तुम भी आ जाओ. And this is my friend Hadi, owner of National Bakery, who has come to, who both are great tennis players, and he has come. No, I am very, and they are the adopted children of Mr. Surinder Pawar. Thank you, sir. God bless you all. This is part 2 of Ranjit Dhaiya's video, and this is the work being done. How much did you get that gimbal for? How much you got the gimbal for? Huh? 12,000. I got Moza Mini. No, I have. Come on, damn beautiful. Excellent. है ना? Excellent. ये देखिए, ये देखिए. डबल डबल फोटो होगा इनकी? हाँ डबल फोटो होगा. ये वाइट वाइट भी दिखाई दे रहा है. कौन सा वाइट वाइट दिखाई दे? पिंक और इसके बीच में आपके पास हाँ हाँ लाइन दिखाई दे. और उधर भी ऊपर वाला भी गलत है. वो पिंक हाँ वो ज़्यादा उड़ गया. वो कौन सा रहेगा? और वो लाइन पे भी नमस्ते रंजीत.